Wala lahat yung childhood na yan. Nagsayaw na ako, kumanta, nag-show para kumita kami. Because we're not really rich. So when I moved, I ran away when I was 18. I went to New York with an ex-boyfriend, ex-fiancé, whatever. And we lived and we broke up after 6 years. And I'm very independent. Basta ako, feeling ko, I have to do everything now before I get married. But I wasn't thinking, yung fiancé ko, yun ang pakakasalan ko dahil ayaw nga ng nanay ko sa kanya. Ayaw yung muka. Gusto ni mama. Ayaw niya yung...
Gusto niya magkaroon ng blue eyes.
Hindi naman. Ayaw lang niya sa Pinoy, not because she's discriminating against Filipino men, but nakita niya kasi yung magiging in-law, yung magiging pamilya. Wala nga kakwenta-kwenta eh. Parang... sasayangin mo yung buhay mo dahil dyan. Ay, ikamamatay niya. So, I had to...
You broke off with that guy?
I broke it off and I just went on a search. Parang do everything on my own. And when I met Andrews, it was by accident. And when we got married, it was...
Also
I knew it was... No, I knew it was... It was...
for me.
That's it. I found the right man. I found... who my mom would be at ease with.
So ito gusto na ni mami mo?
Yun ang gusto niya eh.
Gusto niya ng Amerikano?
Not just American, gusto niya si Andrew. Because Andrew's unpretentious eh. Kahit pakainin mo lang ng kilawin yan, okay na yan. And nakita niya kasi na pareho kaming musicians. So sa trabahong to, sino ba naman ang makaka-take nun? I'm here, he's there. We see each other after 4 months. What kind of a relationship is that, diba? But we make do what we have, telephone, that's it. Wala eh, ayaw ng computer.
Ayaw ng computer.
Regine, sila, yung napangasawa ni Jaya is also in that business, and we all know si Jaja is very happy with Tito Dolphy. Gusto mo ba nasa business din ang mapangasawa?
Nasa industry rin.
You know what? Before I used to be so, dapat wala sa business, tapos yung naging boyfriend ko na sa business. So talaga, you know what, nowadays, I don't even think about that anymore. Parang, hindi mo naman napipili eh. I know napipili mo, pero minsan parang, kung sino yung para sa'yo, parang pinipili ni God. That's how I see it. So, just accept that person.
And what kind of a man would claim the heart of Regine Velasquez? Anong klase? What kind of a man? Sige nga, tingnan nga natin.
Hanip sa question.
Physical muna, physical.
Physical.
Kailangan ba
I am not very, with physical anymore. It doesn't matter.
Maitim, okay lang.
It doesn't matter.
May buhok, walang buhok, okay lang.
Sana may buhok.
Ay, bakit tumuturo ka kay Tito Jay, ha? Batang ito, Ay, show namin ito, ha? Behave ka dyan. O, sige.
Kanina nga, habang naka-break tayo, nag-uusap kami ni Shasha eh.
Oo.
Tama, kasi nasa height ka rin nung kasikatan mo noon when you fell in love eh. Ito bang nangyayari ngayon kay Regine? Tama lang na she's taking her own sweet time.
Oo, dapat lang. Kasi, tsaka dapat talaga approve ng pamilya niya, tsaka ni Mang Jerry, di ba? Kung sino yun. Yun ang number 1 criteria, nagbubulungan kami
approve ng family.
Kahit na disapprove ng mama niya, basta approve kay Mang Jerry.
Basta approve kay Mang Jerry, okay.
Jaja, would you tell her na an older man would be better for women in your industry?
Actually, I would prefer an older man. Kasi di ba totoo naman yung mas mabilis magmamature yung babae kaysa sa lalaki. So mas gusto ko yan. Tsaka para plus ako yung baby, ayoko na ako yung magbe-baby. You were asking kanina kung anong criteria.
Yes, ano?
Ako gusto ko lang somebody who can provide for me because I don't want na parang habang buhay ako mag-work. I want to stay in this business. I mean, I love singing. I love this business a lot. I mean, my whole family talagang nabuhay po dahil sa business na to. But ayokong buhayin ko yung asawa ko.
Is that realistic, Jaja? Because Tito Dolphy can very well provide for you.
That's true.
Pero ikaw,
I love to work and alam naman niya yung nakukuha kong fulfillment sa pagkanta at pag-arte.
Oo.
Iba rin kasi yung status namin dahil hindi kami talaga kasal eh.
Oo.
So in that aspect, I must admit, I feel a little bit insecure. That's why I maintain this.
Work.
Yes. And, aside from the fact that I love
love what I do.
Right. Are you saying, and I hear, that you have received a proposal from Tito Dolphy? Is that correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, kaso ako may problema. Alam naman ang lahat yun eh.
Yes.
Ako ang, kasi
Ikaw ang may
parents
problema.
ko.
Chicken
Oh, strict ang parents.
Ako payagan.
We will have Jaya when we come back.